Hey guys, Keisha Metcalf here, licensed Florida real estate instructor, licensed broker associate, and today we are going to be looking at commissions. Now, I know a lot of you guys are scared of the math. A lot of you think that the math is hard, but it's really not that hard. And today we're going to be breaking down the commissions. Now, commissions is one of the absolutely tested items on the test. So let's just go through and see how you calculate the commissions. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the formulas that you need to know, the step-by-step process, and then we're going to look at some practice questions. So let's dive right in. So the formula that you need to know for finding commission is simply the sales price multiplied by the commission rate. All right, so just the sales price multiplied by the commission rate. When you're finding commission splits, you always want to follow this order. So first thing you do, you always want to find the total commission. Then from the total commission, you're going to find the broker split. And then from the broker split, you can calculate the agent split. So let's look at a question. A property has a sales price of $400,000 with a 6% commission split equally between two brokers. The listing broker splits their commission 60-40 with the agent. How much does the agent earn? So remember we said you're going to follow the steps. So the first thing you're going to do is find the total commission. So remember the formula for finding the commission is the sales price multiplied by the commission rate. So we're going to take the $400,000 and we're going to multiply that by 6% to get $24,000. Now that's the total commission. Then step 2, we're going to find the broker split. So the question says that the commission is split equally between two brokers, right? The commission is split equally between two brokers. So we have to find how much the listing broker gets. Okay, so we're going to take the 24,000 and we're going to multiply that by 50%, and that works out to $12,000. Okay, so we have found how much the broker earned, and now we need to find how much the agent earns. So we're going to take how much the broker earned, and we're going to multiply that by the agent split. So the agent gets 60%, and the broker keeps 40%. So we take the 12,000 and we multiply by 60%, and we get $7,200. All right, so that's the answer. The agent earns $7,200. So you want to remember, just follow the steps. If they ask you to find the commission for the agent, follow the steps. Always follow the steps. All right, how was that? How are you guys doing? Now, if you struggle, you really struggle with math and you could do with a one-on-one session, or you just need some more individualized attention, I'm going to leave my link in the description box below this video. I do offer one-on-one coaching, tutoring services for anyone who is struggling and may need that extra support. So let's find the sales price. So if you are asked to find the sales price, all you're going to do is work backwards. All right, so from the agent commission, you can use the agent commission to find the broker's share. Once you find the broker's share, you can find the total commission. Once you find the total commission, you can find the sales price. Let's look at an example. An agent receives $6,000, which is 50% of the broker's commission at 6%. Find the sales price. So we're working backwards. So we're starting at the agent, and we're going to take the agent's commission, and we're going to find the broker's share. To do that, we're going to take the $6,000 that the agent received, and we're going to divide it by the broker's share of 50%. So 6,000 divided by 50% works out to $12,000. So the broker receives $12,000. Now, we know how much the broker receives and we know the commission rate that was paid. So to find the sales price, we're going to take the total that the broker received and we're going to divide by the commission rate. So we take the 12,000, we divide by 6%. That works out to $200,000, which is the sales price. So it's as simple as that, guys. So let's review. So if you're doing commission questions, you need to know the basic formula, which is commissions are equal to the sales price multiplied by the commission rate. If they ask you to find a commission, you always want to follow the order. You're going to find the total commission first, then you're going to find the broker's split, and then from the broker split, you can find the agent split. If they ask you to find the sales price, you're going to work backwards. So from the agent's commission, you can find the broker's total by dividing the agent's commission by the broker split. Then from the broker's total, you can find the total commission by dividing by that broker split. And then from the total commission, you can find the sales price by dividing the total commission earned by the commission rate, and you will end up with the sales price. So it's as simple as that, guys. It is as simple as that. Math does not have to be complicated, and I actually break this down in my no-fail math toolkit, which if you want a copy of that, I will link that in the description box below. It tells you all the essential formulas that you need to know to ace the math and simple steps that you can take to ensure that you're getting all those math questions correctly. All right, guys, go ahead and subscribe and follow me for more of these videos.